Okay, so today we are dissecting the abdominal pelvic area. So what you'll need to do to open him up is cut right along his body underneath the ribs and down the middle of him, and then make another one so it's in an I shape. You will peel back all the flaps, open up this cavity, and the first thing that we'll see is the liver. You have the 4 different lobes of the liver right here, and then in the middle, number 2, is your gallbladder. It's a greenish color, and some of them might be deflated already, so the color gets everywhere. Next, if you'll pull back the liver, we have your stomach, which is a sac that goes all the way around, and on that sac is your pancreas, which has little finger-like thingies, which are just blood vessels. And then for number 5 over here, you'll see is your spleen. It's kind of a bean-shaped organ. So this fattiness on top is going to be your greater omentum. So we'll pull that back, and you'll see your small intestine. So on your small intestine, you're going to search for the spot where your small intestine connects to your stomach, which is your duodenum. And then, let's see here. You'll go to where your small intestine touches or connects with your large intestine, and that is your ileum. In the middle right here, so like just the parts between the 2 spots, is your jejunum. And if you fan out the small intestine, you see like all the fascia looking layer right there, and that is your mesentery. So next we have your large intestine, which runs all the way down, and it's also known as your colon. Let's see. So then we have our kidney. It's kind of a odd one right there. Your kidney, and then you kind of have to move the spleen up, and you can see this little like ball kind of thing, and that is your adrenal glands. And then next you're going to want to find your ureter, which is this little vein right here that runs from your kidney all the way down to your bladder, which is going to be an empty sac right here. If you pull up your bladder, you can see your urethra. It's kind of hard to see, but just know that it's the part of the bladder that connects to the outside of the cat. And then if you have a male, like our cat, you're going to go to the very outside, and you're going to see his testes, and right by that is his penis. And that's it.